Good morning ulit, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat ng mga nasa online Filipino freelancers. Ayan. So, again, we are bringing you another episode ng ating parang preview of Con. At sabi ko nga kanina nung intro, napakaganda ng topic ngayon, araw
Mm.
na to, kasi sabi ko nga, kumbaga sa damit, it's tailored to you. Yan.
Mm.
So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is really about freelancing, about you. Ikaw ang topic ngayon, ikaw ang center of attraction ngayon. So, kung nanonood ka po sa online Filipino freelancers at kung mapapanood mo to ng replay, can you please comment later, no? Ano yung mga aha moment, ano yung mga takeaways ninyo as we discuss this for you today? Ang pag-uusapan natin ay direction na. Ano yung mga topic ngayon? No? It's about AI, freelancing 2025 going to 2026. Ano yung mga update? Ano yung mga systems? Ano yung mga tools? Ano yung mga kailangan mong paghandaan? At kung ikaw ay
Mm.
bago sa freelancing, ano yung mga nandito ba sa community? Kasi marami dito sa off din ang mga wala pang client. Absolutely wala pang client. Pero they want to transition na going to freelancing. So yan ang mga pag-uusapan natin. We will evolve in those kind of questions. And
Mm.
again, sa iba pang timeline ano, nakapag-welcome na kami. Pero syempre, i-welcome ko ulit ang aking sister from another mother. Ang sobrang malapit sa puso ko talaga itong babae na to, no? At napakaganda niya naman talaga sa screen. Again, Madam Joanna, pati ka ulit sa ating community kasi naka-live stream na talaga tayo ngayon for real. Go, sis.
Yes, I love you so much, sis. And grand rising to everybody watching us either inside the Zoom or at the online Filipino freelancers. From my heart to yours and from my home to yours, I'm sending you all my love, all my positivity, and at the same time, my peace and calm. Because at the end of the day, you know what? Why we do the things that we do? Because ang gusto talaga naman natin magkaroon ng kapayapaan ng puso natin, knowing that in everything that we are doing, we are actually being divinely guided. And for me, that would always be my Father God. Kung sa'yo po, kung sino man po yung divine creator mo, I honor you, I respect you, and I just want to let you know that you are at the right place right now. Hindi nagkataon na biglang pumasok ka sa off dahil may nakita kang notification from CJ or na-remind ka that there's actually a life that would be happening in a little while or happening right now. There is a purpose for everything. There is a reason for everything. And as a wizard and as a warrior, pareho kaming warrior sisters ni CJ, no? We always believe that the reason is there to serve us. So, is it with you? So, maraming salamat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And yes, during this conversation, please let us know, meron po ba kayong mga aha moments? May sudden shifts ba? Na parang, oy, biglang nagkaroon ka ng download and then you realize na yung pinag-uusapan pala namin ngayon, this is actually the answer that you've been looking for a very long time. Do let us know so that we'll at least magkaroon po kami ng idea kung paano pa po namin kayo patuloy na masusuportahan. Alam niyo po, guys, napakaswerte ninyo because you have a founder, okay, by CJ Cajoles. Because you know what, this woman here, kung hindi niyo po nalalaman, sobrang laki ng puso niya para suportahan po each freelancer, especially every freelancer na nasa loob po ng community. Hindi niyo lang po alam kung gaano napapagod ang isip niya at minsan yung isip din namin. Dahil nag-strategize kami because she really wanted to support each and every one of you with the best of her ability. Kaya, CJ, thank you so much for your life. Thank you so much for your mission. And thank you so much because you have allowed us in Lorus Trainings to be part of everything that you are creating for your beloved industry. Yeah. So, sis, I'm sure yung mga ano natin, yung mga viewers natin, they are already excited. Na parang, sino ba tong Josiel or Giselle? Parang may lambing sa dulo. Si Coach JM Mismanos na to. I've been seeing his picture everywhere, and also every time I stumble upon the post of CJ from time to time or Joanna, nandoon din siya, hanging out together. Who is he? I want to know. And as a freelancer, ano ba ang makukuha ko talaga sa kanya at paano niya ba ako masusuportahan? If
Correct.
that is your question, this is the opportunity for you to get to know Coach Josil a little bit more.
True,
And
true.
if you would indulge me, sis, I just want to share a little bit about this human being, okay? We've been friends since 2015 po. Yes, hindi pa ganun katagal. But just like with my friendship with CJ and the others, it's not the numbers, but it's really the kind of relationship that you would want na, alam mo yan, you've been wanting to have all your life because it's always been so profound, it's always been so deep, and it's always been anchored with the heart. Kasi mission-driven. And the reason na bigla ka talaga kaming naging friends agad-agad the first time that we met in Singapore because we realized that we both want the same thing and that we are operating in this purpose. Ano ba yung purpose na yan? Lagi ko na lang yan naririnig kay CJ. Be purpose-driven. Be mission-driven. Pero right now, struggling ako eh. Burnt out ako. Paano ko gagawin yan? And this person, our guest, that you will be meeting on OFCON sooner, isa po siya sa mga tao na makakasuporta sa inyo so that you can really funnel in who am I? What is my purpose? What is my mission in life? He's been a very good friend of mine, and at the same time, he's actually part of the Lorus trainings. He is supporting us create a system, a structure, and processes for our company. And personally, aside from being my kapatid from another universe, just like CJ here, he is also my personal business coach. And alam mo yan, siya yung tipo ng business coach ko na hindi ko kailangan sabihin sa kanya na kailangan ko siya dahil biglang nagsasabay kami, Marce, biglang, sige, punta na ako dyan. And then, things just happen so magically. And a lot of things happen in my life because of the expertise and wisdom of this person. Kaya excited na ako. So, sis, tawagin na ba natin siya? All right.
Go
So,
ahead.
without further ado, let us all welcome the one and only, the digital transformation coach, right? Who has already helped countless and so many individuals, and by the way, big companies. Like
Yes. Hmm.
big companies.
Na-reveal
Meron
niya
lang
sa
po
akin
kasi
kanina, pero hindi namin
Yes,
pwedeng sabihin.
meron lang po kasi siyang confidentiality agreement and NDA, kaya hindi natin masabi. Pero when we say big, these are global companies that you are so familiar because one way or another, nagamit na po ninyo yung mga product ng companies
Amen.
nito.
True.
So, join me now!
Yay! Ayan,
Coach
welcome, Coach
Giselle
JM!
Gismanos or Coach JM.
Welcome to
Hello!
Online
May pa-stairs.
Filipino Freelancer Stage. Stage talaga. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo guys, very ano kami ngayon ha. Flow lang, nothing formal dito. Kaya samahan nyo kami.
Ah,
Kung nagluluto ka ngayon or nagkakape ka, makipagkape kayo sa amin. Cheers, Sis Joanna. Ayan, mga may coffee kami dito. Ayan. So, pag-uusapan natin ay napakaganda, no? Pasensya na kayo, medyo ano kami, para mamaya matatawa kami. Parang very kaibigan lang, yung casual, walang ano dito, napaka-formal na
yes.
pag-uusap. So makaka-relate talaga kayo. And if you have questions for JM, no, bakit si JM nga ba ang ating speaker ngayon? Naku, malalaman nyo mamaya. You will know for yourself na, kaya pala siya pinili dito. Kasi nga, worthy talaga. So, ayan. So, hindi na namin patatagalin. We'll introduce, no, Coach JM. Isang tanong ko lang, tapos ikaw nang bahala sa lahat.
Magkakape na lang tayo, sis. Upo na
Yes, sa
tayo.
gilid na
Sit
lang
back,
kami.
relax, and enjoy.
Tama. Kasi nung nagsalita siya kanina while we are conceptualizing, sobrang ganda na talaga ng mga sinasabi niya. Nasabi ko, sana naka-record na talaga to, no?
Sana
Kasi
naka-live na,
talagang,
no?
alam niyo, yung narinig ko sa kanya kanina, it's probably worth 100,000 na yung binayaran ko kanina dun sa talk na free-flowing pa lang, ha. So, ibibigay ko siya. Ayokong ipagdamot kasi yung mga ganitong klase ng energy sa inyo, guys. Kaya binibigay namin sa off. So, tell us about yourself a little bit. At ano yung walk mo as a freelancer? Papaano ka naging isang freelancer? And ano yung maitutulong natin, no, sa kanila sa Ofcon? Yun, very generic na yung tanong ko. Hanggang mamaya
Dire-diretso
na
na.
yan. Hanggang dulo na yung tanong na yan eh. So yeah, take it away. The floor is yours. If you guys have questions, nasa background lang kami. But gusto ko kasi sulitin nyo yung tao na to kasi kami lagi nyo na kaming nakikita eh. But Coach JM, is parang kumbaga kung nagtitiwala kayo sa akin guys, eto na lang no, tiwa-tiwala na lang tayo no. Kung naniniwala kayo na hindi ako pipili ng isang tao na alam nyo yon, yung kalibre ng isang world-class facilitator, leader, mentor, Coach JM is that person. Yan. So,
Yes.
take it away,
10 question
Coach.
kagad yan, sasagutin mo
Oh,
lang.
shout out, Brian. Nanonood sila, no? Ang dami mga
Pressure ako
Hello,
doon
hello,
ah.
May 10
hello.
million tayo. Mamaya madadagdagan pa yan as we go. So, Coach JM, go ahead.
Yes.
Ahoy! Ahoy! Parang kinabahan ako. Parang ito yung question kanina. Parang madami yung question. Sinamarize nyo?
Yes.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay. Hello po sa mga ating freelancers dyan. No? My name is JM. Call me JM na lang. And as I go along, no, sabi nga namin, free flow lang to. Biglang nawala yung katabi ko. Ang galing ng exit eh. Parang,
Ako
ako
din,
naman
itatanggalin ko
nag-stay
na rin yung
side.
sarili ko sa spotlight, kaya para solo mo na lang.
Parang pinagkapi po ako, binusog po talaga ako dito para daw po sabihin ko lahat ng nalalaman ko sa freelancers, no, community and how I started here, no.
Mhm.
Okay lang po ba malaman, ano na lang kayo kung kilala nyo ako, kung hindi magpapakilala po ako, no, para po malaman nyo, no.
Ah,
So, sabihin nga po.
wala na. Ayan.
Ayan, so, hi guys, my name is, totoong pangalan ko po is Giselle Mismanos, JM na lang po, kasi yung iba hindi maalala ang Giselle.
Josel, may lambing sa dulo.
Giselle.
Josel.
JM na lang. So, yun, so,
Ayan, ikaw na.
ano po, I was an OFW for 12 years po sa Singapore. Pero bago po nag-start yon, hindi ko po alam na ang tawag pala sa mga ganitong trabaho ay freelancers or VA. Kasi high school pa lang po, nag-VA na pala ako. In fact, I might be the first Filipino who has the account for Odesk, na ngayon ay is Upwork na. And marami pa pong una noon, no, na dinidiscover ko siya kasi nga po, I was an IT. Actually, I'm still an IT. So ako po ay isang legit na IT, course ko po IT, and nung college po ako, feeling ko 2 years lang ako nag-IT kasi sobrang curious ko po, inaaral ko po ang lahat in advance. To the point na nagtuturo po ako, gumagawa po ako ng project ng classmate ko ng ibang school, no? Hindi ko alam freelancers pala yon. So, nagpunta po ako sa Singapore, nagtrabaho po ako doon as an IT automation manager sa isang bangko. So, IT po ako, and every year po, no, pinapadala ko ng Singapore sa New York, which is the main IT hub ng aming company, which is one of the number one or largest banks in Germany na nakabase po sa Singapore. So, I was automating everything. Inaaral ko po yon, and I was actually the first level 3 na support, kumbaga highest escalation support. Para po malaman nyo kung gaano ka-importante yon, no? Pag po nag-withdraw kayo sa ATM at wala pong laman, ako po may kasalanan. Kasi I had to make sure na okay yung system bago mag-open yung bangko. Kasi wala pong pera yung tao. So, ganun po ka-crucial yung trabaho ko. And I was really very curious of a lot of things. By the way, guys, IT is different from digital marketing. And nung time po na yun, nagbo-boom po yung digital marketing, no? Hindi pa po digital marketing ang tawag doon, internet marketing or so. Basta
Mhm.
matagal na eh. So, kumbaga, hindi pa nauuso, alam ko na po siya. Even the Amazon, lahat po ng affiliate, ClickFunnels, lahat po ng tools, inaaral ko po yan out of curiosity na hindi ko po alam na dadalhin pala ako in the world of freelancing. Which, by the way, hindi ko po alam na ang tawag pala doon ay freelancers. Ang alam ko lang, consultant ako. Because when I was working in Singapore, I had the privilege to meet a lot of business owners na nangangailangan ng tulong sa tech. Actually, hindi lang tech, iba't ibang bagay. Na to the point, ako din, na-push ko yung sarili ko to learn not just technology tools because IT na po kasi ako eh. Even personal development kasi I need to talk to the leaders and I have to know how their mindset. Paano sila nag-iisip? Paano ko sila matutulungan? So, yun po yung talagang nangyari noon. And me, as an IT, ang expertise ko po talaga is subject matter expert po ako ng AI. Hindi pa po uso yung AI, nag-AI na po ako. By the way, yung AI na nangyari ngayon, meron na po yan sa corporate. Ngayon lang nilabas kasi may mga tao sa corporate na naging smart enough or maybe nagkaroon din ng mission kagaya ko na ituro, i-revise para ituro po sa atin ng mga SME and mga freelancers. So, doon po ako na-inspire, no? And nung time po na yon, I was learning a lot of things and may mga business owners sa Singapore na lumapit sa akin, hey, baka gusto mo naman akong tulungan. So, nung time na yon, I was really working for them. Sino po dito yung mga nagtatrabaho like SEO, yan, mga booking system, admin, ayan, yung mga ganon. Tapos, meron pa diyang mga social media, yan. Ang dami pong um, mga trabaho na pwede nyo makita like sa ating mga tools dati. Yun po yung ano. And nakakatuwa kasi you are earning from that. And me, as a person who's really very keen on learning a lot of things, nasi-share ko po ito at natutulungan ko po yung mga companies. Actually, hindi siya basta lang tao eh. Companies talaga na to the point, nakilala po ako sa Singapore because of what I'm doing. Whether it's digital marketing or technology. Kasi I'm a developer myself. So I can create tools. But basically, ang pinaka-expertise ko po is more on creating the right system, the right structure, and how can you really be more productive enough so you can make your work faster. So, dun po ako talaga hinahire. And, kumbaga, bonus na lang din po na masarap akong kausap, friendly ako, magaling ako. Ayun, ayun na. Kaya naging friends ko sila CJ. Bonus na lang yon. But basically, yun nga po, nakikilala nila ako dahil doon sa expertise. And, yan po yung mga, siguro yung mga share ko sa inyo ng pagiging freelancer ko na hindi ko alam na freelancer pala ako. Sinabi lang ng dalawa kong friend na, that's freelancing actually. Sabi ko, okay. Yun pala yun. So, I'm really happy na nandito ako sa Filipino freelancers kasi nung time po na nag-attend ako ng training which is ang first ever personal development training na inattendan ko, na inattendan din ni CJ is the Millionaire Mind Intensive sa Singapore. Doon po na-hone naman ang personal development ko whereas I was able to hone more of my personal, yung mga self-mastery and all. Kasi tech po kasi talaga ako eh. Ang pinag-aaralan ko lang kung anong mauuso sa future eh. Tapos yun na, more on technology and tools. Kaya anything to do with tools, I can actually create that. They call me the system business integrator. So kung ano yung kailangan mo, I can integrate the tools for you. And I have team, even me, I create the tools kasi developer po ako. Kaya nga po, I feel you, kumbaga, as a freelancer, kung ano yung kailangan ng client, ginagawan ko po talaga ng paraan. Bakit? Siguro, I'm so thankful din po and blessed na I was given the technology of skills of being an IT, at the same time, being open to the opportunity of the digital marketing, which is the social media and all. So, yun po yung ginagawa ko. And little did I know na dumadami na po yung nakakakilala sa akin. Marami na pong lumalapit na clients na I didn't expect na these clients are the big clients na sabi nga po namin, hindi po namin pwedeng sabihin. Baka may nakikinig. Nag-sign po ako ng NDN. And doon po na-hone talaga yung expertise ko. How can I really create something for them? Eh sila na yun eh. And doon po ako talaga nahasa. And then, nung time na marami na akong client, I was able to collaborate with Filipinos. Nasa Singapore ako, naghahanap ako. And hindi ko rin po alam, nalaman ko lang na parang VA or so, yung mga kinukuha ko pala na collaborate ay mga freelancers. Ayun. So, ibig sabihin, from me as a freelancer myself, opening up opportunity for my co-freelancers. Kasi sabi ko, gusto kong tulungan yung mga Pinoy. Kasi ang daming may kailangan ng, ah, ng tools, ng mga expertise dito sa Singapore at even sa ibang bansa. Di ko naman kaya. So,
Tama.
inopen ko po ito sa mga freelancers kong friends sa Philippines. Pinipili ko talaga po Pinoy kasi
Nice.
yun po talaga yung mission ko.
Ah,
Eh. So,
tama yan,
yun
no?
po.
I agree. Actually, meron lang akong na-realize din, no? Pag sinabi kasi nating mga kapatid sa off, no? Pag sinabi nating freelancers, hindi lang kasi tayo yon. Kahit yung mga pag doctors, lawyers, they're also
Yes,
freelancers, grab drivers, basta wala
exactly.
kang, alam nyo naman yan ang definition ng freelancer. So, malawak talaga yung pagiging isang freelancer. Minsan, ang mga, halimbawa, tayo, nagtitinda tayo ng bata tayo ng mga, ano mga binibenta natin, 8 years old pa lang tayo, 9 years old. Entrepreneur ka na pala noon. Business owner
Exactly.
ka na pala, no? So, siguro ang
Yes.
isa sa mga takeaway ko, yung wag nating limitahan yung salitang freelancer sa IVA lang.
Mm-mm.
Kasi that's the common, ano. So, we're here to really open up yung mindset natin. Malawak pala talaga yung pag sinabi nating freelancer. So, Coach JM, you mentioned a lot about systems and tools, no?
Tools. Yes.
Bilang isang freelancer, ano yung mga possible na tools na pwede kong magamit on this day and age? No? Let's make it updated na sa
Okay.
2025 going to 2026. I want you to tackle more on AI siguro. Ngayon kasi nauuso yung mga ClickFunnels, high level, yung mga automation, no? Pag sinabing automation, parang very big thing siya. But sometimes, people are scared, like, baka sobrang techy naman yan. So, what's your
Mm.
take on that? And how can we help the freelancers? Because you guys, we want to support you, no? We have 24 people watching right now. And mamayang gabi lalalim tong mga manonood ng replay habang nakikinig sila, habang may client sila. What can we offer them? And how can we support these freelancers in terms of tools, AI automation?
Yeah.
Ayun. So, yan, magandang question yan. Kasi, to be honest, problema ko din yan dati. Parang lagi sinasabi, what if may ganitong tools? What if may ganyan? What if mababilis ang buhay ko? What if I can get more clients by just being me? Kasi syempre freelancers tayo, one lang tayo. Pero paano natin replicate yung sarili natin?
And all of us, we only have 24 hours. And then out of the
Yes.
24 hours, you
Oo.
still have to take care of your family, your
Correct.
kids, your
Bagay
parents.
na bagay ito sa lahat ng mga may multiple clients, no? Sa lahat ng mga
Yan.
Exactly,
live ngayon
right?
at sa mga
Oo.
magre-replay, yung iba sa inyo gusto nyo, hoard kayo ng clients. Apat, hindi kayo makontento sa isang client. So, si Coach
Mm.
JM, nandito siya para tulungan tayo, no? Paano pag multiple time zones yung gusto ko, Coach? Minsan kasi, honestly, no? Nagiging, how do you call that? Hindi tayo ayun na nga, very straight, no? Hindi minsan nagiging kontento. Lalo na kapag nakakakuha siya ng isang client, ay, kaya ko pa isa. Ay, kaya ko
Kaya
pa.
ko pa,
Minsan 12
oo.
oras na tayo, guys. 12 hours na hindi na natutulog. So,
And
maybe,
then you're no longer a freelancer, sis.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So, is
You're
there a free?
already a slave. You
I
don't have the
know.
freedom anymore. And that's the reason that
Exactly.
you wanted to become a freelancer from the get-go, eh. Pero
Mm-mm.
dahil you kept on getting all these clients, now your hands are so tight and you cannot
Yeah.
do anything anymore.
Mm-mm.
So the question is that how can I replicate myself na parang there's a clone of me
Mm-mm.
using this technology. Parang ganun yung
Mhm.
idea
May
eh.
Yes.
paraan ba? Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yan.
Mm.
Okay. Ang ganda ng question. So, ano nga yun? Charot. So sige, siguro sa akin, just for experience ko na rin to and I wanna share with you kasi as a freelancer, ganyan din kasi ako. But then, dahil din sa mga experience ko at mga natutunan ko sa mga top clients, how they really structure, no, their business and how they scale it, na pwede naman pala natin gayahin. Kahit freelancer tayo, you don't really need a lot, parang more people. What if you could actually have the right system for you? Ayun. So ako, basically, yung una kong tatanungin, nung nag-start ako, ilan bang customer yung gusto ko?
Mm.
Magkano yung gusto kong
At
kitain?
saka on top of that, hindi lang ilang customer.
Oo.
What are the kind of clients I want?
Yes. O, di
Kasi 'di
ba?
ba more than
Ganda
anything,
nun. Mm-mm.
there's the alignment eh.
Ikaw ang
Kasi
pumipili
syempre
ng
dami
client
mo
mo, no?
yes,
Oo.
dami mo nga kliyente, pero are they aligned with your values
Yes.
ba?
That's it.
Wow.
Or with the person that you want to become? Like, for example, purpose-driven ka,
Mm-mm.
pero yung binibenta ng kliyente mo is not good for the
Ay,
humanity or environmentalist ka. Pero hindi maganda sa environment yung binibenta ng
True.
kliyente mo.
exactly.
Wala
Are
kang
you
magawa
doing it
because
for
the
the
money is
money lang?
good.
Yeah.
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 Diba?
And yung tama yun, no, Marcy, kasi dun talaga ako na burnt out. Na parang, ano yung bayaran ka ng $20,000 a month?
Mhm.
Pero pati pag-ihi mo, monitored.
Binibilang, hanggang 3 patak lang ha.
Parang, asan ka? Parang, nakita niyo ba yung mata ko, guys? Ang itim yan. Medyo lumuwag na yan kasi
Ang ganda na nga.
nabawasan na, di
Mm.
ba? Kasi nagbawas na ako ng client. So, tama si Marcy, no? Ikaw ba sa sarili mo, ano ba yung purpose mo? Ano yung objective mo to earn, no? Magkano? Sino yung gusto mong client? Who's your dream client? And ikaw mismo, ano yung dreams, lifestyle mo? Kasi sinabing freelancers, pag freelancer ka, ibig sabihin, ito yung gusto kong trabaho, then free na ako the whole day. Nagagawa mo ba talaga yon? And me, as a freelancer, nung nasa Singapore pa ako, lagi ko sinasabi, okay, gusto ko ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Pero burned out ako noon. Parang sabi ko, ito ba talaga yung gusto ko as a freelancer, as a consultant? So what I actually did, I sit down and ask myself, ano ba talaga yung gusto ko? First is the clarity. You have to be really clear. Ano yung long-term goal mo? Kumbaga sa akin, begin and end in mind. Kasi yung execution, madali na lang yan as long as you're clear and aware of that. Ngayon, kung clear ka na, and then, you ask yourself again, okay, ano lang ba yung in my own capacity, ano lang yung kaya ko munang i-accept? At magkano based doon sa goal na magkano yung gusto mong kitain, kaya ko ba to? Huwag tayong basta, ako for me, ito experience lang. Hindi ako basta-basta nagsasabi, okay, gusto ko 10,000 kagad. Tapos mababurnout ako, kakahanap ng kahit ng teso, naka 3 months na ako, hindi pa. So, ang ginagawa ko, I put that on my roadmap. Meaning, gumagawa talaga ako ng plano ko. Naglalagay ako ng, let's say, this is my 1 month goal, 3 month goal. Then, tinatry ko siyang i-execute, tinetest ko siya. But it doesn't mean na kaya ko siyang i-achieve. Kasi based from my experience, 3 buwan na wala pa ako nakukuhang one client na 10,000. What if I can actually find a client, okay, sige, eto munang 3 client na align sa akin, ito yung gusto ko. Even me, may mga clients na nag-o-offer sa akin, like 1 million a month, pero hindi ako masaya. Na parang, gusto ko ba talaga to? Kasi baka mamaya, hindi siya align sa akin as a person, no? I mean, an IT person, I can do anything, I can automate. Pero ang tanong, gusto ko ba siya? Nakakatulong ba talaga ako sa
Mm.
ekonomiya? Yun.
Mm-mm.
That's just me, guys, no?
Or nakakatulong ba siya sa growth mo as a person? Because at
Yan.
the end of the
Oo.
day,
May nag-comment na
we
sa,
are human beings,
yes.
right? And as a
Actually,
human
totoo
being,
yan.
may soul, may
Um,
ano tayo, sis, di ba? Meron tayong soul contract in a way.
Yeah.
If you don't believe that, it's something like we're all meant to do something here on earth. And it's not just about working. It's not just about hustling. It's never about just making money. At the end
mm-mm.
of the day, you want to have the best of both worlds. Ika nga, making money, but at the same time, fulfilling kung ano ba talaga yung nakakapagpasaya at nakakapagbigay ng peace of mind for you
Yeah.
at the end of the day.
Right, right.
Correct.
Ang
Diba?
ganda naman. Mm-mm. At
So,
maraming makaka-relate dyan, Coach JM, kasi
mm,
honestly din, valid din naman yung nararamdaman ng isang freelancer na halimbawa, yung unang client, lalo na kapag unang-unang client mo, no, minsan
Mm-mm.
mapapayas ka talaga eh, kasi eto na siya eh, di ba? Pero
Yes.
pagka along the way, and there's nothing wrong with that too, no, hindi natin ini-invalidate yun na, ay, kasi hindi naman kayo align. Pero minsan kasi, pero napakahalaga, kaya mahalaga yung discussion natin ngayon, kasi yung clarity talaga nandun. Pero coach, anong gagawin ko kung ganun nga, no? Yung client ko ano pala siya, hindi pala kami talaga align, no? Alam ko na magiging micromanager siya or madidegrade yung pagkatao ko. Pero kasi ang laki magpasweldo eh. I need you to answer
Sayang.
that kasi maraming ganyan na mga gusto ko lang
Mm.
mag-resign. Kaya lang, wala pa akong nahanap na panibagong client. Eh, I have to pay the bills. So,
okay.
what would you do on those situations?
Alright,
Ano na lang ba
sige.
yun?
I
Bahala
have
na.
two things. Two
Mm-mm.
things. First, um, in order for you to grow, sometimes you have to let go of things that's serving you. That's one. But,
Yun, the easiest way
the
out. The
easiest way
easiest way
out,
out.
let it
Yes.
go kung kaya. But
Let it
if,
go.
yan, di ba si Elsa? Si Elsa. But if, let's say, you really have, parang, when, end meets, meet ends, yun.
And the
Kailangan
end
mo kumita ng
justifies.
pera, di
Ah,
ba?
okay.
Kailangan mo talaga. Then you have to think out of the box. Doon na papasok yung tools and system. Okay? Let's just say this person, this company is really giving 10,000. So kung hindi ka pa alay sa ngayon, maybe yung value nyo sa isa't isa, hindi. What if you could actually realign yourself kung paano mo magagawa ng maayos yung trabaho mo as a freelancers. Doon na
Mhm.
papasok yung structure and system mo. Okay, kung nahihirapan ka dito, pero ito'y nagbibigay sa iyo ng sabi
Bread
nga,
and butter.
bread and butter. Sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, no, kung ito ay hindi pa align sa'yo, pero sometimes you have to go through that in order for you to achieve what you really want.
Parang you just have to swallow it for
Yes,
now.
for
For now,
now.
because you don't have an option.
Yes, for
Yes.
now. So, you have to think out of the box. Ano yung pwede kong gamitin in order for me to serve this person? Mindset pa rin eh. Paano ko siya masusurvive? So, ikaw mismo as you're freelancer, it's like you're the CEO, you're the CFO, you're CTO operations, ikaw mag-iisip on your own.
Mhm.
So, you have to really sit down and really ako, ganun ako. Ask myself, ano ba yung clarity na ano yung kailangan ko para matulungan ko lang tong client na to na in the end, I will not burn bridges.
Mhm.
No? Na at the end of the day, gusto ko maganda pa rin yung record ko sa kanya. Kasi
Mhm.
you'll never know guys, baka mamaya itong nagpapahirap sa'yo, this is a pagsubok na pag naglagpasan mo, di ba? Sabi nga, God will not give you things you cannot carry. If you
Yes.
cannot carry, bubuhatin ka niya, footprints in the sand.
Exactly.
Parang ganon.
Mhm.
'Di ba? So it means baka ito lang yung breakthrough mo na pag nalagpasan mo to, then you learn your lesson. This time, dahil meron na akong then right now I have to really find the right
Mhm.
customer or client that's aligned with me.
Yes.
Based doon sa sinet ko sa sarili ko na gusto ko, tulog na ako ng 9 p.m. Gusto ko, panggabi ako para maalagaan ko yung mga anak
Oh,
ko. Di
gusto ko
ba?
walang weekend.
Gusto ko walang weekend.
Yung
So,
mga
what are the
tinatawag
things?
natin na non-negotiables mo na.
Yan, what are
Yes.
your non-negotiable? Isasama mo yun dapat.
Mm.
Kasi kung sinabi mo na freelancer ka pero may family day, yes, yes sir, yes sir, I'll book na, di ba? Parang
Yes.
nandun ka nga, may ganun sa pelikula eh. Yes, you're present but you're absent.
Yes, exactly. You're physically present, but you are really
Yeah.
not with us. And hindi lang yun, di ba ito yung napag-usapan natin sis kanina and ano, no, Coach JM. Kanina yun nga yung the nomad life
Mhm.
wherein masyado siyang nag-glorify and so many people, even ako, dumating din ako at one point in my life na, oh, I could bring my job anywhere and I was so proud
Yeah.
of it. And so many people was so proud of it. And we're okay because it's the hustle culture that was being promoted. But come to think of it right now, hanggang kailan mo ilalet go yung mga bagay that truly matters to you just because you have to fulfill your freelancing job. What do we mean by that? Pumunta ka ng Siargao,
Yan.
pumunta ka ng Bohol, nag-book ka pa talaga ng napakagandang room at napakagandang hotel kasi sabi mo, deserve ko to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pero okay lang yan. Dadalhin ko yung trabaho ko. So, boss, don't worry. Even if I'm in this beautiful island right now,
Mhm.
or kahit na nasa Hong Kong, Singapore, or wherever I am, nasa Bali ako,
Yan.
no? Don't worry, I can still do my job until you didn't know anymore. The whole day na palang naubos, lumubog na ang araw, hindi
Mhm.
ka man lang talaga na sinaga ng araw because you were just there. 'Di ba? So that is the kind of life that you don't want
Exactly.
to live. So that's why, ito po yung reason guys, CJ and the Lotus Trainings created OFCON 2025 for you. Because for CJ, she has been a freelancer for a very long time and she has already helped thousands of freelancers. One thing na napansin din po talaga namin, even nung sa mga kwentuhan nga
Mhm.
natin, is that freelancer ka nga, pero free ka ba talaga?
Yun.
Hanggang kailan mo isusugal or ipagpapalit, okay, yung ibang aspects of your life just because you wanted the money. And what we have to understand is that at the end of the day, it's never just about the money. We love money. I love, 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 love money. Okay? Happy money, come to me. Okay? But it cannot na ang nag-govern ng life natin, ng principles natin would always be money.
Tama.
And then we are now neglecting the other functions of our lives, spirituality, emotion,
Mhm.
mental, physical, relationships, health, those kind of things.
Tama.
That's why we have created OFCON for you guys. So, yeah. So,
Yeah.
Coach JM, so kunwari, let's say ha, ako freelancer
Mhm.
ako, tapos nahihirap, yung sabi mo kasi kanina, two things eh, either I let go or do, ano, parang create some tools.
Mhm.
Okay? And then you also give us a specific of how we can actually do that. So, kunwari nandun ako sa crossroad right now. And then I'm going to ask you for an advice. Knowing na meron ka rin freelancing background, okay? And then nag-iisip ako na parang is freelancing really for me?
Mhm.
Sabi nila, kapag freelancer ako, sabi ni CJ kanina, sabi rin ni Coach JM kanina, I'm the boss, I'm the CEO, I'm the business actually.
Mhm.
Pero how can I create a system out of me? Paano ko talaga magagawa na ma-enjoy ko yung money that I am earning,
Mhm.
that I can really duplicate myself using all these systems? What is the next step for me?
Ayan.
Based din doon sa sarili mong experience.
Yan. Sige, perfect. Back in 2020, no? Nag-resign po ako sa company na nagtatrabaho ako. Nag-business po ako sa Singapore, no, as a consultant. And mga clients ko po is event like Loros Trainings. So one of the biggest event in Singapore was my client. And nag-shutdown ang lahat. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Kasi nawalan ako ng business, di ba? So what I actually did is I asked myself from there, paano ko kita in my own expertise, me as an IT, to really get the clients that I want na out, ito out of my clientele kasi events ng mga clients ko. So what I did, I asked myself, ano ba yung expertise ko? Okay, ngayon, ano yung expertise ko? Ano yung mga kailangan? Sino yung mga customer ko na gusto kong iserve? Kasi yun ang pinakamadali, no? Kung ano yung muna, saan ka muna magaling, doon ka muna. Kasi kung fight or flight ka, anong meron ka ngayon na pwede mong iserve sa mga tao?
Agad-agad.
Agad-agad.
Yes.
Eh, IT ako. Eh, nag-shutdown lahat. May mga tao na hindi naman technically inclined and hindi masyado sa technology. So I put myself in the equation na okay, these are my strengths. Sa strength ko na to, ito yung kaya kong iserve. And to mga client na to, ito yung gusto kong price points. And what are the tools I need to really replicate that to create the right system for me. Okay? So, yun ang ginawa ko. Una muna, syempre, nag-test ako. A/B testing. Let's say, for example, okay, creating a website. Ano mo yung kailangan sa website? So, during that time, I was creating 10 websites every week. I was teaching, no? These are, kailangan meron kayong e-commerce, kailangan may ganito kayo. So, I was really teaching. And then from there, I started drawing out a process kung paano ko siya ginawa. And then, from there, I was able to create my own system. Now this is the next step. You already have your own system. You are earning the amount that you want and you are free. Laging kasama sa equation yun. Dapat balance. Kung gusto ko na mag forest bathing, maglakad sa forest at mag-meditate doon or mag-painting, kailangan non-negotiable ko yun. Kasi that's my peace of mind. Hindi ako makapag-isip kung alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi maayos ang pag-iisip ko, di ba? So those are the things na me time ko. Kumbaga, that's for me. Kasi in order for me to na gumana or makapagtrabaho, yun ang kailangan ko. So you have to really also know what are your non-negotiable, sabi nga ni Coach CJ. And then the same time, if you've already created that, for sure you have. If you're not aware, upuan mo, check mo, alin ba dito yung nag-work sa akin na nakakakuha ko ng client? Ano yung mga sinabi ko? Awareness is next, di ba? If you're clear and you're aware of what you're doing, nandun na yung clue sa'yo eh. Now, the next question is, how can you replicate that? Paano mo siya replicate na yung na ginagawa mo siya sa isang client na kaya mong gawin into two clients? Doon na papasok yung productivity level mo. At the same time, if you really want to achieve the next level of the earning that you want, but still, kaya pa rin, align pa rin. So yun, it means in the sa akin is creating the right system that's right for you with as a whole. Now, right now, what are the tools that you really need? Kailangan, alam mo din yung mga tools na kailangan mo. So, of course, you have to research. And right now, ang dami ng mga tools na lumalabas, especially mga AI, no? Ang dami ng mga lumalabas dyan na AI. And sometimes, may mga, syempre, sa mga ads and all, nakikita mo, oh, okay, ganda. Nakakatulong ba talaga ang AI na to sa'yo? No? You really also have to choose what are the right tools na pwede mong gamitin na makakatulong sa'yo sa trabaho mo. What I'm trying to say is you have to be strategic. Baka naman bumili ka ng isang buong system, hindi mo naman ginagamit, nagbabayad ka lang ng napakamahal para lang, oh, may ganito akong system. Hindi mo naman nagagamit. So that's one of the things na um, kailangan mo ring malaman para you stick that for now. Kasi yung iba, sa sobrang, di ba, maraming tools, lahat inaaral. To the point na ubos na yung oras nila. So you still have to go back to yourself. What are my intentions? Di ba, ang objective ko naman is to just find the right tools for me right now and use it. And then, focus lang ako. The keyword is focus. Focus lang muna ako dito.
Yes.
There are a lot of Guys, there are a lot of tools that you can use. But find something na mag-aaleng sa'yo. Di ba? Parang may sinabi ka nung kanina, Marcy, na okay, sa akin nag-work ang listening to the Word of God, yung ano lang. Di ba? Parang gano'n. So, nag-resonate sa kanya yun yung nag-work sa kanya. So, hindi ibig sabihin na, ito yung ginagamit niya, baka nagagamit sa akin. You ask yourself.
Yes.
So, that's the thing of really you increasing your productivity by being aligned sa gusto mo na hindi ka mababurn out at the same time helping you to be productive.
Yes.
Specifically AI. Ang daming lumalabas ng AI. But ang advice ko sa inyo, use AI strategically. No? Gamitin nyo ng tama at ng maayos na again, align pa rin sa objective nyo. Na
Yes.
hindi lang dahil tinuro ni ganito, uso ito, hindi nyo naman nagagamit.
Oh, so
Yun.
parang what I'm getting from this, from what you just shared, Coach JM, is that at the end of the day, regardless of other people telling you na maganda to, aralin mo to, maging magaling ka
Mhm.
dapat dito, go deeper within you. Saan ka comfortable? Saan talaga yung parang kapag ginawa mo siya, parang nagpo-flow ka lang?
Yan.
Na
Yes.
parang the genius has always been within you. Hindi mo pinipilit yung
Hindi.
isang bagay. Halimbawa, parang kunwari, ano ba, kunwari hindi ka naman talaga ba customer service, pero dahil sabi nila, dapat marunong ka rin mag-handle ng customer service and the technologies around it, pinipilit mong aralin. So now, you are actually operating outside of your natural and genius zone. What
Mhm.
happens is that it's gonna burn you out.
Yeah.
Because not everything that is given to you or hindi porket sinabi ng tao na pina-follow mo at nag-work sa kanya yon, dapat sundin mo rin.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, it's good to be a jack of all
Mhm.
trades and master of none. At one point, you will have to really decide, who am I? Na parang kapag sinabi ng mga tao, Coach JM, immediately, what is the one word that they think about you? So, that would be the guiding principle for you guys. So, parang ako right now, as a freelancer, kung mag apply ako as a freelancer, at gusto ko tatatak ako sa mga tao, sa Upwork, or kasi, parang, okay, pag humingi ako ng
Mm.
recommendation, ano kagad yung one word na may isip nila about me?
Yan.
Right.
On the contrary, it doesn't mean that you're not gonna learn things. Kasi
Yes.
minsan nagiging ano ka, comfort zone. Hindi, okay na ako dito. Hindi, okay na ako dito.
Mm.
Ayoko na aralin tools. Okay na ako sa tools na to. What if mawala yung tools na yun? What are your
Mm.
alternatives?
And
So we're
nabago.
Exactly.
also telling you na this year, guys, by the way, this year is the last year for you to learn all this technology.
Why?
Kasi 2026, everything is on AI, everything is technology. Bigla kang nawala blockchain eh. By the way, I'm also a certified blockchain expert. I'm also a ChatGPT certified expert.
Mm.
And hindi pa po uso yung mga yan. Certified na po ako. Bakit? Inaaral ko yan in advance.
Mm.
Me as a tech person, for me sa akin lang naman to guys, it's my responsibility to know this to serve my clients well.
Mm.
Sinasabi ko na sa kanila in advance para mapaghandaan. Di ba? Ganun naman pag pandemic, di ba? O kailangan,
Mm.
um, may nakita kong balita, Marcel, no? Yung sa, laging binabaha yung ibang lugar, pero BGC was never
Mm.
affected of the baha. Hindi ko
Diba?
alam kung nakikita niyo, nakita ko. Sabi ko, sobrang importante po ng foundation at solid foundation sa sarili
Exactly.
mo. Kasi
Mhm.
whatever happens, may sarili kang system at alam mo yung pundasyon mo at kung saan ka magaling, kahit ano pa pong tools, kahit ano pang system yan,
At
as long as,
kahit ano pang pagbabago ang
yes,
Tama.
nangyari,
Tama.
yeah,
I
you will
like
stay relevant.
yes,
Yes. I
Yes.
like this discussion, no, kung saan to napupunta kasi some freelancers gusto nila sa coach, sa mentor, hindi coach, turuan mo ako ng ganito, bigay mo sa akin yung tools, ganito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ang sinasabi ni Coach JM, baka hindi kasi fit sa'yo, 'di ba? Yung online Filipino
Mm.
freelancers, we're so vast, we're so uh, diverse as a community. So when, for example, when he gives Trello, Asana, yung mga ganyang tools, no? Kasi minsan gusto niya yung very technical tayo. But what I'm getting also here is that wag tayong maging obsessed dun sa tools kasi they
Yes.
can
yes,
be anong tawag ito?
Obsolete.
Pwede silang maging
mm,
obsolete lalo na sa AI, no? I also learned this kay Peng Joon. Actually, special plug, no? Peng Joon is here in the Philippines. Kailan nga to ko, sis?
September 2
September.
and 3, Future of AI by the one and
Yan.
only Peng Joon. So join us.
Yes. So, September 2 and 3, nandito si Peng Joon. September 13 yung off-con natin. So, masyado
Yes.
tayong busy. Yung mga nasa babiyahe ng Visayas and Mindanao, book na kayo ulit ng September 2 and 3 para makita nyo si Peng Joon. So, I learned about this kasi I'm consuming Peng Joon's content as well. He also said that, no, nagtuturo kasi ng AI si Peng Joon. Sabi niya doon,
yeah,
I'm not gonna teach you the tools.
yes,
Kasi, yung tools, pwedeng naturo ko siya sa'yo ngayon, 6 months from now, wala na siya. 'Di ba?
yes,
So,
Mm.
what I like
Mm-mm.
about that is, yung aralin mo yung ano talaga yung mag-work sa'yo and unang-una talaga yung clarity nung yung ikaw, kasi ikaw yung pinaka-container dito, tama, ikaw yung vessel. And the tools will just um, change and be updated, pero ikaw yung kailangan buo talaga. Yan, kaya hinuhulma ka namin bilang isang freelancer
yeah,
solid talaga, rock solid yung talagang foundation. Now, Coach, nabanggit mo kanina, mag-focus ka muna kung saan ka magaling.
Mhm.
Yung
Mm.
strength mo, 'di ba? So what if coach ganito no, in terms of the money, kasi nasa AI ang pera, pero hindi pa kasi ako ganun kagaling diyan. So what can you advise? Doon muna ba ako talaga sa strength ko? Magaling akong mag-organize ng mga tools and all that. Pero kasi minsan nasa shiny object yung mga tao.
Mhm.
Ang isa sa
Mm,
mga
lagi.
common questions ng bagong freelancer, ano ang patok? Ano ang pinakamagandang niche na may maraming pera? Which is very valid kasi pera naman talaga yung reason kung
Mhm.
bakit
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
freelancing, right?
Kasi nga,
But
we have
what will
money.
I do kung bago lang ako sa freelancing but I don't have that strength talaga? What should I
Okay.
do first?
Well, sa akin, again, these are just tools. So, I will always go back. Okay, kaya ba ng time ko, nag-freelancer ako at the same time choosing one tool to study and see if it works for me. And by the way, guys, you are all naman using ChatGPT, no? You can always ask ChatGPT, di ba? Research and development, no? You ask them.
Yes.
Tools are for the people. Do not think that AI will replace you. AI was created for the people.
Created by human being at
Yes,
the end of the day.
use it wisely lang. No? Okay, you have
Yes.
to be smarter than the tools. Kumaga, sasabihin sa'yo ni ChatGPT, ano ba naman yung tanong mo? Hindi naman ako na-challenge. Di ba? What
Tama.
I'm trying to say is, um, eto, kung nag-start ka pa lang, ako din naman nag-umpisa sa umpisa. Pero if you're always saying, nag-start pa lang ako, dito na lang. Then you're going back again to the comfort zone. Ano yung pwede mong gawin to manage your time na aralin mo, let's say may Grok ka na, may Genora ka, o di ba, yung mga videos na yan, and kailangan mo, ang lagi mong tanong, kailangan ko ba to? Mapapakinabangan ko ba to sa client ko? No? Mapapadili ba nito ang buhay ko? O masasayang lang yung time ko kakaaral kasi hindi naman ako ganun kateki. What are the things na pwede ko munang aralin? Di ba? Set your rules. And then, saka mo tanong kay AI, di ba? AI, ito
Mm.
yung expertise ko. Blah, 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 blah. Give me recommendations on what tools that aligns with me. Boom! Sabihin sa'yo ni AI, oh, ito yung kailangan mo, ito yung kailangan mo, di ba?
Yes. So leverage.
Leverage
Yeah, it doesn't have to
technology.
be an either or. So
Yeah.
for example, you are a copywriter and they kept saying that copywriters are gonna be replaced by
It's not.
AI, that nobody would need a copywriter anymore. Ako, I
Mhm.
beg to
Yeah.
disagree because at the end of the day, we can use the technology
Mhm.
of ChatGPT and similar tools, but iba pa rin kasi when it is your voice, it is
Yes.
your message coming from you, 'di ba?
Mhm.
So, iba pa rin yung
Ito pa
magiging
rin.
dating na, and people would also always see, oh my gosh, this is so chat GPT.
Oo.
O, 'di
Di
ba?
ba?
Parang I'd rather not listen or not read this entire book or this post because I know
Mhm.
that this was just
Yeah.
written by a chat GPT. Pero kung copywriter ka, gawin mo, incorporate mo, create your own.
Yes.
And then, ipacheck mo kay ChatGPT, ako ginagawa ko to. Ginagawa ko
Exactly.
po to, guys. So, what I do, I'll draft my message, and then, papacheck ko kay ChatGPT, tawag ko sa kanya, Chai. Chai, what do you think of this? Do you agree with this thought? What are you getting from this, with what I wrote? And then, Chai would tell me na, oh, Joanna, it's already heartfelt. I got your message right away,
Mhm.
but I can tweak it for you to
Exactly.
make it more what do you call that, more readable, or para to point at parang to deepen the point that you want to share, those
Exactly.
kind of things. So now we're coming from a collaborative
Yeah.
energy.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm not competing with ChatGPT because I can never compete with that. And
Mhm.
I can never compete with all those people who are so good with AI and all. But I can always go back to who am I?
Yes.
Use my own genius, use my own skills, and leverage. At the end
Exactly.
of the day, what we have to remember, even if we are freelancers, we have to learn the art of leverage.
Yes.
Yeah. So, speaking of leverage, Coach JM, ikaw talaga, you're one coach that I know na sobrang magaling ka mag-leverage. Right? Leverage in a very nice way. Kasi there are people who leverage na masama yung intention. But ikaw, you're not that kind of person. That's why you're my sister, brother, mommy, daddy, lahat na, kuya.
Lahat na.
Minsan talaga siya yung, kailangan ko ng ate, kailangan ko ng kuya. So, siya talaga yun.
All in one.
So, how do you leverage all these technologies for you?
Okay.
Paano mo po siya ginagamit? If you are a freelancer, paano mo po nale-leverage lahat ng mga tools and technologies available right now?
Okay. Sa akin, no, ang lagi lang kong iniisip, how can I be productive. 'Di ba? Kasi lagi tayong naka-close sa sales and marketing, 'di ba? Sales is marketing is sales, sales, sales. Pero hindi nyo nalalaman na marami kang ang benta, hindi ka naman productive kasi yung bakit may fulfillment po, hindi mo magawa. By the way,
Mm.
freelancers are the one doing the fulfillment and all, di ba? May magbebenta, may mag-sales, hindi lahat ng freelancers ay magaling sa digital marketing, but they are good in productivity level.
Mm.
Kasi sila yung tumutulong para mapabilis ang trabaho. So, how can I leverage all of these tools? By knowing what I want, what are the tools that I need to do or I need to use, di ba? And kahit ako din po, experience ko sir, kasi automation manager ako, di ba? So,
Mm.
naghahanap ako ng tools na nagmamatch sa kailangan ko. Okay, by the way guys, kaya sabi nga nila, yung tools na to are just tools and kahit mawala pa yung tools na to, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang tutulong sa sarili mo. Imagine guys, Jollibee, Coca-Cola, Amazon, yung mga big companies, Procter and Gamble, wala namang tools dati, di ba? Wala namang social media and yet nandito pa rin sila. So let's learn from the big companies. How did
Mm.
they cope up in this pandemic? Sa
And
future
become
natin.
pandemic proof.
Yes, how can you be
Okay.
future-proof pandemic yung yung ginawa mo sa akin na sa take-off sa amin. Paano ka magiging pandemic proof na kahit wala na lahat ng tools na to, kaya mo pa rin mabuhay. Kaya mo pa rin mag-freelancer. Kaya mo pa rin dalhin kung sino ka at the same time whatever tools are available here, gamitin mo, 'di ba? So kung ako, ito lang naman yan eh. Lahat naman ng tools meron niyang parang parehas.
Mm.
Let's say, for example, si Facebook, pwede yan sa Instagram and all.
True.
May mga foundation yan eh.
Mm.
So, for me to leverage tools like ChatGPT or ano pa yung pwede kong gamitin besides ChatGPT. Kasi ay, nawala na yung ChatGPT.
Mm.
'Di ba? Ano naman yung next doon? So again, as long as you live, as long as you work as a freelancers, make yourself always up to date. No?
Mm.
Don't be so too focused. Oh yes, focus ako trabaho, trabaho. Pero hindi mo alam na mapag-iwanan ka na. It's not just the tools. No? You as a person, baka mamaya malaki na yung anak mo, hindi mo alam. Kasi, laki na ng anak ko. Birthday bukas ang anak ko.
Kahapon 1 year old lang siya. Bakit yung 5 na pala siya?
And by the way, guys, speaking of tools, si ChatGPT, hindi ka naman niya pagtitimpla ng kape, di ba? Pwede niyang ibigay yung best na ano.
Concoction.
Oh, yeah. At
Oo.
gandang pinakamasarap na
Ilang
ingredient.
sugar,
Oo.
ilang oat milk ba, soy milk ba?
Tapos,
Bakit ikaw pa rin yung
yes, sabi mo
gagawa?
kay ChatGPT, timplahan mo ako, sabi sa'yo ni ChatGPT, nek mo. Bakit ako yan? Binigay ko na sa yung lahat ng kailangan mo. And kung sa content is king, sa AI tools, context is king.
Mm.
Kasi kung ikaw mismo, mali yung, kumaga parang, what you see is what you get. Pag hindi quality yung tanong mo, hindi din quality yung
Garbage in,
sagot.
garbage out.
Yes.
Mhm.
Sasabi mo, hindi naman gumagana ito si ChatGPT kasi mali yung mga sinasagot. Ang tanong, tama ba
Pang-grade
yung
1 yung
tanong mo?
prompt mo.
Yung input.
Tama ba yung
Oo.
input mo? Tama ba yung prompt mo? Ano yung context? Di ba?
Mhm.
So, yun siya. So, it's a two-way thing, no?
Mhm.
Nice.
Just be open and make sure to always update yourself, especially kayo, tayong mga freelancers. Kung meron mang tao na kailangan maging up-to-date, tayo kasi tayo inaasahan ng mga clients natin. Ano bang
Mhm.
bago? Ano bang, oh, bago yan. Uy, gusto ko yan. Di ba? Yun.
Yes.
Tama. Tama. Ang ganda ng
At saka
ating
sometimes,
discussion.
sorry sis.
So,
So
go.
sometimes, no, what I'm getting here also, sometimes it's not really, baka ang hindi mo kailangan magdagdag ng
Yeah.
kliyente, baka ang kailangan mo lang magdagdag ng skills
Yes.
mo, itaas pa yung mindset
Mhm.
mo, and then deepen your emotional capacity, your physicality, your health as well, and then your emotions, your capacity to hold
Yeah.
whatever pressure that comes in. Baka hindi kailangan na bagong kliyente,
Mhm.
pero baka lang kung gagamitin mo lahat ng mga available resources sa'yo at tututukan mo kung saan ka pagagaling, yung kliyente na meron ka, baka naman willing na siya dagdagan ang offer sa'yo.
Correct.
So now, you actually do not have to get another client and then mag-i-start ka na naman sa zero or whatever it is, 'di ba? And then papatunayan mo naman yung portfolio mo o yung
Mhm.
sarili mo, meron ka ng existing kliyente. siya muna yung pasayahin mo. Baka kasi dumating yung araw, nakita niya talagang, worth ito. Parang, right now, I wanna offer, kunwari, magkano na ba yung bayaran ngayon? Kunwari, binabayaran ka sa equivalent to pesos, binabayaran ka niya ng 5,000 per hour. Ay, eto si Jusil, nakita ko talaga na sobrang seryoso siya at committed siya sa pagtatrabaho sa akin dito as my VA.
Mhm.
Ofera na kita, baka kasi makuha ka pa ng iba.
Yan.
Baka naman let's extend our contract. I wanna offer you 7,000 or 8,000 or 10,000 per hour. Would that be okay with you? With the same person, with the same task, and
Yes.
with the same timeline.
Mhm.
That's also a thought, no? What do you think
Ang
of that, sis?
galing. And napakaganda, no? Sobrang, nagbabasa kasi ako ng chat natin. So, tinatanong ko sila kung they are learning. So, shout out sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin. Sobrang ganda ng discussion natin. Parang pwede ba tayo mag-extend hanggang alas 5, alas 6? Joke lang. Ayan. So, of course, bago matapos yung live natin, I just wanna shout out of ang ating mga masters na nanonood. Shout out to Master Bryle Abduhan. And of course, our sister Clara Day Herrera.
Hello, at
Stop
Diyos
by
ang
on
nanonood.
our live. So thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-engage din, no. Maraming mga natututunan daw sila. Sabi ni Christian J dito, wala sa AI, nasa gumagamit ng AI, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Yan yung kanyang takeaway for tonight or for this afternoon. So, it's 4:04. Nako, alam nyo, sabi ko sa inyo, kulang ng isang buong maghapon yata kapag tinanong natin si Coach JM. But kahit ako mismo ha, ang dami-dami kong mga realizations, confirmation, and revalidation sa lahat ng mga sinabi niya tonight or this afternoon. Nag-timeline shifting na ako sa gabi. Tonight na talaga. Ayan. So, as much as we would like to extend up until 6 p.m., of course, we want to honor the time of these two people na kasama natin ngayon because they have a lot of things to do behind of con at sa Summit MMI. Naku, marami pong mga ginaganap ang Lorus ngayon, no? Ako na po ang talagang napapagod para sa kanila. Pero grabe ang energy ng mga tao na to. Parang hindi ko kakayanin yung ganong level. So, Coach, unang-una maraming salamat sa buhay mo, salamat sa pagpapaunlak sa off, na nandito ka ngayon. A person like you is a very good addition to our family, a very good mentor to the freelancing community. We really need a person like you na hindi lang pera lang lagi tayo pag-usapan natin yung skills, but you hone us to be a better container ng lahat ng mga clients na to, and you are a living testimony na hindi mo kailangan ng maraming clients, no? At dapat marunong ka rin siguro yun yung isa sa mga takeaway ko for this afternoon, the non-negotiable. Everything will
Mhm.
align naman eh, 'di ba? And the
Yes.
clients will be given to you. If nandun ka, as a freelancer guys, alam nyo, kaya mong mag-reject ng client. 'Di ba? Yan yung power natin eh as a freelancer. You
Mhm.
interview the client as much as the client interviews you,
Yes.
you interview back, 'di ba? Are you fit for
Agree.
me? I can say no to you right now. Kasi yung mga premium client, ay mga premium freelancers, kaya nilang mag-no. Pero kung ikaw yung hindi pa, kasi ano, pera rin naman to, sayang naman to. Check your
Mhm.
heart again, right? Check your non-negotiables again. Baka
Correct.
nalunod ka na dun sa pera na to the point na asan na talaga yung natulog ka pa ba? Tapos tatanungin mo yung sarili mo, is it exhausting? Hanggang saan? Hanggang, 'di ba? Kasi
Mhm.
yung contentment ng tao parang never ending siya, no? From
Yes.
$1,000, parang, there's more, there's more, there's more. So, minsan greed na siya.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say the word, no? Parang nagiging greedy tayo na
Mhm.
nawawala na talaga yung essence. Bakit ka ba talaga naging freelancer? Yan, no? Grabe yung lalim ng topic natin ngayon. So, Coach JM, we wanna see you again in our community and especially live in the flesh sa OFCON. So, makakasama po natin si Coach JM sa OFCON. We would like to give this opportunity for you to invite the people in our community if they're still on the edge, and those people who have already booked the tickets, what can they expect from you when they see you in our AFCON? And I'm gonna remove myself on the spotlight so that you can invite them. Heart to heart talk tayo,
Heart
coach.
to heart.
Ayan. So what can we expect from you?
What's in it
When,
for
yes,
me? I'm a
right,
Yan.
freelancer. What's in it for me?
Ayan,
right.
sa mga freelancers po na kagaya ko na magjo-join sa amin, we invite you to join the Online Freelancer Filipino
Of course.
OFCON.
AFCON na
Ulitin
lang. Online
Ulit.
Filipino
Ulit.
Freelancers Community Conference.
Saan ba ko titingin dito?
Yan, yan.
Ulit. Ulit.
Take two.
Take two. Ayan. Okay, to my fellow freelancers, I invite you to join us sa OFCON po this coming September 14. And I will,
13. Take 3.
okay,
I love
ulit.
this very
Ulit.
raw
Take
and
3.
Take
authentic
three, ito.
life.
Totoo na talaga to. Ganun po talaga kami magkakaibigan, no? So, flow lang tayo. Okay, again. Hi guys, my name is JM DeGeneres. You can call me JM and I invite you to join us sa OFCON po Live September 13. And I will teach you the right strategy, no? The clarity, the structure, and the right tools for you and how you can really sustain your freelancing job, no? It's not just a job, but it's a mission that is aligned to you and sustainable. Meaning, kahit ano pa pong tools na dumating, hindi po kayo maiiwanan. Dahil po, you are the business yourself. And you as a freelancer, you always have to be up to date. And I'm here to give you the right structure so you can sustain your business and you as a freelancer. And it's not just about the tools, but the mindset, the clarity, the structure, the system, and the sustainability of your freelancing job or business for you to also scale it and for a long-lasting person who you are and you as a freelancer business. So, hihintayin po namin kayo sa aming OFCON, September 13 po. September 13, wag po kayong mawawala. This is again, JM Miss Manos. See you po.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Di ba
Gumanon
nakita
ako
niyo
kasi ang
guys,
tangkad niya eh.
no? You know what I love about these people? We can make mistakes in front of you and we're not afraid of it because why
Yes.
not, di ba? We
Hindi
are
po kami
human.
AI.
We're not AI and
Tao po
it's
kami.
Uy, even
okay.
AI nga nagkakamali,
Oh.
di ba?
Totoo.
Tayo
And
pa kaya?
nakikita niyo yung ano, yung energy na ganito. Kung gusto niyo ng mga ganitong klase ng usapan, ganitong klase ng community, ganitong klase ng network, malay niyo makilala niyo talaga sila. And kami naman ni Lagzawana, nagsimula lang din kami sa event. Nagsimula akong participant ng MMI. At tas
Yeah.
sinisipat, ano na lang naman to, no, segue na lang, no, sinisipat-sipat ko siya. Sabi ko, siya pala yung isa sa mga organizers ng ano. Nakita niyo naman si Madam Joanna, no, ang fashionista natin, no, ang Miss Universe natin, lagi yang naka-get up na ganyan. Magmula sa earrings hanggang sa necklace, sa makeup, sa kilay, talagang on point siya, no. So I was really staring at her and I was so admiring her. And from the rest is history. Now we're here collaborating together. So who knows, 'di ba? Pagpunta nyo ng OFCON, meron kayong idea, just approach JM there. Napaka pait na tao, papansinin niya kayo talaga and you take selfie
At
with.
napaka-generous.
Yes, he's really generous with with the identity, the full identity, no? Yeah. So,
Yes.
yeah, so we're so excited, no? Ilang araw na lang ay OFCON na. Naku, marami pa. I think I'd like to call this for a part 2, no? Yung mga hugot freelancers na flow lang tayo. Kung gusto niyo pong bumalik si Coach JM, I highly vote for that. Let me know. Na parang, Coach, balik ka, no? Parang ano lang, kwentuhan lang ulit tayo ng mga
Oh, sure.
buhay-buhay. So, very flowy lang. Ayan, hi Sis Jev. Ayan. So, nakadrop po sa comment section yung mga link of confph.com. Merong sariling discount code din yung off, no? Just type OFF. Or you can also type Lorus. Kahit naman ano, even the other communities, if you are part of FH Moms or part of High Level Pilipinas, you can get any code there. The discount is actually yours, no? With full disclaimer, wala po kaming extra kinita dyan sa mga discount code na yan. We are giving it away for you. So just go ahead and grab. Kasi minsan nagtatanong, Coach, anong pipiliing code? Kahit alin, actually, to be honest with you. But if you are here in off, you can just type your own code, OFF. You're gonna get 15% discount doon sa pinaka-checkout.
Pati-chat out,
Yeah,
yes.
so ano pa ba? So that is a very good discount for you. Habol na po kayo. Isa pa no, sa mga may clients naman, you can guys ask your clients to sponsor you. There are so many people na nag-message sa akin before na coach, pinayagan kami ng client na mag-vacation leave. And at the same time, nung tinanong, para saan ba yan? No? It's a conference of freelancers. You know what the clients kasi may mga kliyente po dito na nagpapadala mismo ng laptop, 'di ba?
Mm.
Pag Christmas, may mga basket, may mga voucher. So there are generous clients who are giving accommodations. So you might wanna copy their strategy as well. There's no shame in asking like, can you sponsor me in this because this is a very good opportunity for me to level up my skills. Dahil pag-uusapan natin doon mga skills eh. And you as a person, as a freelancer. So go ahead and, ask and you shall receive. Di ba? Malay mo naman mag-yes si client. And the ticket price is extremely mura, very cheap siya, no? Kumpara sa lahat ng mga matututunan nyo. Hindi lang kay JM, kay Coach Ross, kay Real Talk Darbs, kay John Pagulayan, and everything else. Pas, marami kami nga mga inihanda until the evening. So, of
Yeah.
course, this will be handled by the world-class facilitators and events coordinators, Lorus Enterprises. Walang ibang maghahandle ng OFCON kundi sila lang talaga because sila talaga ang pinagkakatiwalaan natin. The best of the best are here. So, I'm sure na makakapagpahinga ako, no, na alam kong
Hindi mo
magaling
sure.
yung nagtatrabaho sa likod, no? So, maraming salamat, Lorus, ha. Forever grateful to you guys. So, ayan, sayang nakabili na ako, wala ko discount. Okay lang kung walang, actually, baka Riley, sabi niya kasi dito, sayang nakabili na ako, walang discount.
Yeah,
Pero okay
yung
lang yan.
ano natin, yung 15% off natin, sis, just to clarify, it is applicable to the regular rates.
Yes.
So for those who already bought before, maybe the price that you got was the early
Early
bird rate,
bird
which is
price.
technically mas mababa pa din po talaga
Correct.
siya.
Naka-discount
Yes.
talaga kayo. Kaya siya may 15% off ngayon kasi naka-regular price.
Generate na.
Tumaas na siya.
Yes.
So if you bought it
Opo.
at 1,777, that's
Yes.
still discounted. Yan.
Opo.
Yan. So don't worry
Yes.
about that. And kung ako, honestly, I would probably pay 10,000 or more. Kung ako lang naman sa Ofcon kasi sobrang dami talaga ng mga makukuha mo doon. You are the biggest investment. Sabi nga natin, no, yung core nitong topic natin ngayon, ikaw yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. The
Mm.
tools, the systems, the AI are just tools for you
Mhm.
because you are the human using it and you are
Yes.
experiencing it. So, ikaw ang
Yes.
pinakamahalagang present dapat sa Ofcon. So, may panahon pa. You can go ahead and check out. Picture
Yes.
tayo. Wait lang. Picture muna kami dito. So, dyan lang kayo. Ano lang kami. Magsa-selfie lang kaming tatlo. Guys, smile. Ayan. Thank you. Madam Joanna, do you have any last words or Coach JM?
Yes. So once again, we are inviting you to join us face to face, the first ever live OpCon post-pandemic. So this is the first time that we are doing this together with the founder and the beautiful and purpose-driven CJ Cajoles. So our tagline po, lead with soul, succeed with skills. Hindi po yan dahil gusto lang namin because it feels right or it sounds nice, right? But there is a deeper reason kung bakit yan po yung tagline natin. Because just like what we said a while ago, beyond the money, as a freelancer, there are other aspects of you that maybe you're not realizing you also need to focus on. What is that? Probably you're making a lot of money, but your relationship is suffering. Maybe you have a really good relationship, but maybe the money is kulang pa. Or probably naman, your health is not really doing you good right now. So kahit na alam mo yung kapasidad ng utak mo at kagalingan mo sa skills, kayang-kaya mo magkaroon ng maraming kliyente, pero yung katawan mo bumibigay na. Right? Also, yung mindset. Even though you've been reading a lot of books, pero hindi enough. You're still surrounded by this negativity, and some way or another, you're still affected by what other people are saying or with what's happening with the economics of the country, right? And of course, at the end of the day, feeling mo ba nag-iisa ka na lang? Wala ka ng ibang kasama? And even your divine creator, parang inabando na ka na? Then, maybe the reason that you are here, the reason that you are part of, the reason that you are joining us right now in this live, it's because there is a message for you. And the message is join us at the upcoming OFCON because we are here. We are offering you support. We are going to be your friend. And we are going to give you all these wonderful speakers who can elevate the person that you are so that you can become the person that you've always wanted. Right? So please join us. Do get your 15%. Just go to the link. And we look forward kasi at kasabi nga ni Sis kanina, si CJ kanina, we have prepared something so special just for you. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the tools. It's not just about the knowledge, the expertise, or whatever the speakers are going to share to you. But at the end of the day, how can you make this stick? na kapag wala ka na dun sa event, you would always remember to go back to your core. And we have prepared something special just for you. Only at the live OFCON. Kaya join us now and get your ticket.
Ayan naman tayo. Napaka-powerful. Ano, heartfelt, 'di ba guys? Hindi sa binibentahan namin kayo ng tickets, but because we really wanted to um put value sa buhay ninyo, you know. Ofcon will be there. Show up kami whether nandun ka or wala ka, pero sayang kasi para sa'yo talaga yung Ofcon.
Yes, once a year lang siya, sis. Kumbaga parang this is the only time that we're doing it for this
Actually,
year.
once in 10 years kasi
Once,
next.
diba? Once in 10 years. So,
Wow.
sang ka pa? Sang ka na? Tara na.
Yeah. Ang cute lang eh, no? Ayan, so
Tara na.
magpapaalam na kami. May so overtime na. Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. We will see you again for another round. Abangan nyo po yung susunod will be Real Talk Darbs. Actually, tomorrow, no? Tama ba? Bukas si,
Tomorrow.
ano, si Real Talk Darbs.
Tomorrow, 1 p.m.
Yan.
Yan.
So, he has lots of followers. For sure, nakafollow ka sa kanya. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi itutuhog natin siya sa freelancing. Yan, ang kanyang topic
Yes.
for tomorrow.
Maintindihan nila, sis. Parang, bakit ako kailangan mag-content? Freelancer ako. Abangan mo bukas yan.
Yan.
Yan. Abangan
Yun.
nyo. So, thank you so much for watching live and replay. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you, Coach Jem. Thank you,
God
Joanna.
bless you all. God bless you, sis.
Bye.
Thank you for
Thank you
your
for
life. Mwah,
thank you for
mwah, mwah,
having
mwah.
me. Thank you
Love
po.
you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye, sis.